Well, for those thinking it's a get out of jail free pass, it isn't. However, courts across the Commonwealth are putting a few things on pause for at least 21 days. Courtrooms often hold more than the CDC's recommended 10 or less. Due to that, the governor's judicial emergency signed off by the state Supreme Court is in place, meaning many general district traffic cases and nonviolent offenses will be continued.
The courts are trying to look at the whole entire dockets and continue the things that are not quite as pressing and go forward on just the bare bones things that they really need to go forward on.
The closing of courthouses could make some who have upcoming cases anxious.
It's going to be really confusing, I think, for a while, and the courts are really different than most other places because people are required to come to court, whether it be through a subpoena or if you're charged with something. And if you don't show up, you can actually go to jail under normal circumstances. So if somebody's got the coronavirus and they're required to come to court, then that creates a really difficult situation and can be really dangerous.
CBS 6 legal expert Todd Stone says even attorneys haven't been given much direction, but they are in constant contact with the clerks and prosecutors about individual cases, including new cases that require a bond hearing.
I would expect that for bond purposes, judges are going to be keeping in mind that they don't want this virus in the jails, and so, being a little more liberal at bond hearings is probably important at this point.
And attorneys are being asked to e-file as much as possible, and teleconferencing and other technology will be used in those court cases that have to go on. Working for you in Chesterfield County tonight, John Burkett, CBS 6 News.